Hello everyone and welcome to my Leximancer tutorial. Leximancer is a text mining software that allows you to create a visualization of the main concepts within a text. This lets journalists and academics find key concepts in large amounts of text, as well as find direct correlations between these concepts. So let's get started. First, we need to download a text file which we want to visualize. Today I have picked a CSV dataset about inmates' last words before execution in Texas. Yes, a bit of a gory topic, but it works well for the demonstration. Now, let's open up Leximancer. Once Leximancer is open on your browser, you should be on the software's home page. Next, we need to click on the Projects and Folders tab in the top left-hand corner and click on Create Project. Now, we need to name our new project. I'm going to simply name it Last Statement. And now you can choose whether or not you want to add a description. Then click OK. Now that you've created your project, a new Build Your Model page will open. You now need to click on Select Documents and upload the documents that you want to analyze. In the left-hand column, you'll need to locate your document. Mine is under the Desktop tab and the file is named Texas Last Statement. Once you have located your document, you'll need to drag it over to Project Documents and press OK. You will now notice that the Select Documents tab has turned green, which means that your upload has been successful. After selecting your documents, you can create your model straight away by clicking on Generate Concept Map. Or you can choose to build your model by changing the more advanced settings. Now, in the drop-down boxes, we can change different settings in our concept map, including being able to change the number of concepts in the concept map, which is what I will show you right now. To change this, all you need to do is go into Concept Seed Settings and change the total number of concepts to a number of your choosing, and click OK. You can use each of the drop-down boxes to change your model settings to tailor your analysis. Now you can continue by generating your concept seeds, generating a thesaurus, and then generating your concept map. Each step may take a bit of time depending on the speed of your computer as well as the amount of available memory on your device. It is recommended to have at least 20 GB of memory available on your hard drive for Leximancer to work smoothly. Now that the building step is over, you can now view your tailor-made concept map. In the middle of your screen, you have an interactive visual representation of your text data, showing you the different concepts as well as theme bubbles. By clicking on the different concepts, Leximancer is able to show you the relation between these concepts. In our example, keywords that the inmates used in their final statements were love, sorry, and family. And by clicking on these concepts, we can see the different relations between them. This visualization is also 100% customizable. You can change the theme size and change the concept visibility down at the bottom of your screen, as well as changing the map to a concept cloud view or switching to a social network view. You can also change the background color. On the right hand side, we also have some useful statistics from our textual data, including the amount of times the concept was included within the text, as well as concept relevance. Now, to export your concept map, all you need to do is click on the image icon at the top of your screen. This allows you to export your map as an image. You are also able to change the format of your image like so, and click OK. Your map will now open in a new tab, and you are able to save it to your hard drive as well as rename it by right-clicking the image and selecting Save Image As, where a Save As window opens and you can name and save your new concept map. Thanks for watching this Leximancer tutorial, and please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you!